Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Fishing Tackle Channel. Today, this video is more of those that have broken reels and you don't want to mess with it. Maybe your warranty is up, or like me, I don't know if you guys see my video, a Shimano reel. Before this tax thing, tariff for those that don't know, tariff, it was implemented. I decided to buy this from Amazon Japan, and it got delivered. And unfortunately, it wasn't working. The level wind with the warm gear wasn't moving at all, and was brand new. So I reached out. I tried to send it back, but Amazon Japan pretty much said keep it and refunded me fully, which is great. So I look for like Bass Pro and local places, and nobody does real services. And I was able to find, somehow I think I was looking through forums and things like that, and somebody recommended Doug's Real Repair. I checked their website, and I reached out to him, to Doug, and he was very responsive. So that was a good sign, right? I emailed him, and he emailed me back right away with the details on whether or not he services JDMs, so Japan Domestic Manufacturer. All I had to do was I put it in this Amazon box and then shipped it to him. And I think it was right before New Year's or right after. So it came back fast. I was like from what I've heard, it could take up to 3 months. Definitely Bass Pro person recommended, unless I'm gonna wait for 6 months, 3 to 6 months. Like, try to find a local um, tackle shop that will do the service. But yeah, one big thing, the first of all, because this is Japanese made JDM, the US Shimano wouldn't cover it under the warranty. So that's a big down, um, sort of a con for when you buy something overseas, right? The warranty doesn't cover it. But anyways, I did wind up paying with the shipping included. He shipped it back, so it took less than a week, 2 weeks, right? And he texted me, then called me and explained exactly what was wrong with it. So that was awesome. And so yeah, the turnaround was very fast, and it's this and get to CT that I purchased. I paid a lot less for it. Now it's like over $200. I don't know what's going on. So check him out. Yep, this warm gear, it wasn't activating at all. So he provided me with. He said he took it apart, checked everything, including this, and he said apparently when they put this together, it looked brand new. There was a part missing. So, and then something else. But anyways, he fixed it. Total came out to be about $50, including the shipping, service, and cleaning and all that stuff, I think. So reach out to, again, I'll put a link to his website. If you do, again, my biggest concern was because it had an electronic component that it was going to cost a lot, and that it made it a little bit more complex. So I was very hesitant to send this through Bass Pro. That's why I needed somebody that specifically serviced these kind of more complicated reels. So yeah, it works. Everything works fine. Clicker is working. My little spool tightener, tuner, it's also working as it's supposed to. And yeah, I can't wait to use this. So go check him out. You could go to his website. Again, I'll put a link. You could email him, and then you just ship him. I'm pretty sure you could get it for cheaper. I decided to send it through US Postal Service. I think I spent like $10 sending it. So total I spent was about $60 with the return postage. So Doug will reach out to you and tell you how much it's going to cost. Or you could kind of get an estimate before you send it. So don't just send it and expect, if it comes out to be a lot more complicated and expensive for the service to be done, don't get upset. He is very responsive. Again, email him and he'll respond to you within a day or so. That's what he did for me. And then he was able to get this turned around. So again, you could reach out to him and ask how long the service or repair may take, and he's very transparent about it. Very cool guy, and I can't wait to send more of my reels out to him. I'll definitely send some of my Daiwa, more higher end ones, to get it fixed or cleaned or serviced through Doug's reel. Thanks, Doug.